What's up, everyone? Movie Mania Nick here. As you can see, I'm back at the Roland E. Powell Convention Center in Ocean City, Maryland. We're going to go inside, check out some classic cars, and do some other fun stuff. So let's do this. As you can see, we're back inside to selling t-shirts and stuff as usual. Here's where you check in with your cars. Alright guys, we're back. Here we are. As you can see, they sell rims here for the tires. Sell toy cars. Bunch of movies and DVDs and everything else. It's a classic movie right there.
It was last year, right after Christmas.
At the refreshment counter now. Remember, your favorite snack will taste especially good with world-famous ice-cold Coca-Cola. I'm Chili Dilly.
Alright guys, now behind me is something interesting. One of my favorite movies. It's probably one of yours too. Check this out. Of course, I'm talking about Ghostbusters. So the first one was from the original movie, and here's from the newly version Ghostbusters from 2016, starring Melissa McCarthy. That's their car. Yeah, you know I have to do this. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, check this out. Here's the Ghostbuster car. There's one from the movie, the newest version.
He narrates his own stuff.
Yep, it's called vlogging. Here we go, right there. I just sat inside of it. Here's the inside. There you go, guys. I was gonna get my picture taken, some photo shots. Alright guys, so now we're back outside. We're gonna see some cars here in the parking lot. Good thing about YouTube, I'm not monetized or anything, so whatever music they play, I can't be flagged for it, so. Your old style Stingray right there. I love the Corvettes. You can see in the window, but they got the pink dice on the rear view mirror. Alright guys, check this car out. It's a hot rod car. Check out this engine. I tell you, they don't make engines or cars like they used to, that's for sure. It's a nice car.
Far, but in the mid-60s, from the history books that you've read, who marketed the Avanti? I heard it here, right here for sure. All right.
As you can see on the bottom row there, those are the trophies that these guys get for winning the best car.
What's that? All right, let's see here. Now, you guys remember a TV show. What kind of car did the Cunningham family drive when Happy Days first hit? What was it? That's the man. Man, this guy's loaded up with dice over here. All right, let's see here.
All right, guys, that's it. That's the 2017 Endless Summer Cruisin' at the Roland E. Powell Convention Center. There's a lot of classic cars in there, like I said. There's a car by me. There he goes. Anyway, it was a good time. You know, you'll see my. It was nice to sit in the Ghostbusters 2 car. There's more to it come later. You'll see that. But anyway, it's really cool. I love that. I mean, I still like the Back to the Future one, what they had, and they had the Flintstones car, and the car from Dukes of Hazzard. But this is cool too, the Ghostbusters. Like I said, it was one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite movies the whole time. Probably to you guys too, if you're into movies or anything like that. But that'll do it. Like I said, this is Ocean City, Maryland, Endless Summer Cruisin'. They have this thing like every year. It's the same cars, like I said, every year. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. As usual, please like, please subscribe. And that's it, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. license plate. You can see it. I tell you, the amazing part is a lot of the people that have, whenever they have the Cruisin weekend, you see a lot of people come out with their Mustangs. I mean, not the old Mustangs, like the newer edition Mustangs. But for some reason, when the Cruisin weekend's over, you see Mustangs, but not a lot of them. It's ironic, ain't it? I guess they're trying to outshow and outdo the classic car people.